If you're looking for a natural way to boost your immune system, look no further than the humble elderberry. This small, dark purple berry has been used for centuries to treat a wide range of health issues, and recent research has confirmed many of its benefits. Let's take a closer look at each of these benefits. Boosts immune system. Elderberry contains antioxidants and vitamins that can help boost your immune system, protecting you from illness and disease. Reduces inflammation. Elderberry has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, reducing the risk of chronic disease. Relieves cold and flu symptoms. Elderberry has been shown to reduce the severity and duration of cold and flu symptoms, helping you recover faster. Lowers blood sugar. Elderberry has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels, making it a useful supplement for those with diabetes or at risk of developing the disease. Fights bacterial infections. Elderberry has antibacterial properties that can help fight off infections and keep you healthy. Reduces stress and anxiety. Elderberry has been shown to have a calming effect on the body, reducing stress and anxiety levels. Improves skin health. Elderberry is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that can help improve skin health and reduce the signs of aging. Promotes heart health. Elderberry has been shown to have a positive effect on heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. So there you have the 8 surprising health benefits of elderberry. Whether you choose to take it as a supplement or incorporate it into your diet, this little berry is definitely worth considering for its numerous health benefits. Always consult your healthcare provider before taking any form of elderberry, and take it as directed. Pregnant and lactating women are advised to avoid elderberry because of the lack of sufficient evidence of its toxicity during pregnancy or breastfeeding. I hope you found these tips helpful, and I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.